guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so it's 9 o'clock at night and we just got a message saying that the car's in the way. So, pa, mira, this is what you need first. You need to put some gloves on because that car's coming from out of state. You're old, you want to make sure you don't get sick.
They said you cook tacos. Tacos. He's looking like, hey, whatever we eat. Whatever. Young lady said she had fun driving it, though. Young lady? Ese mofle salió del casco azul mío, yo le puse el mofle de atrás del casco azul mío porque ya tenía la frente nueva. He's so excited. Look, you see it in his face, he's so excited. Go! Coming to the ramp. Come on. Slow. Come on, go back. ¿Todo bien? Ya. ¿El motor no lo has prendido? No, yo te quise. Fuck it. ¿Me va a apagar? ¿El motor está bien? Ya. Use power with the filters on. Guys, we're good. All right, thanks, man. Hey, take care. Be safe. All right, we're about to go to sleep. Is that your brother and father?
It's my boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
All right, have a good night. Bye.
Let's see if you still got it. This is the man that taught me how to drive.
Dale duro.
I didn't teach him that.
That's wild. Ah, también se mueve, ¿verdad? Original. las luces. No se apaguen. Mira cómo las dejaron. Dale algo que no vaya a venir alguien se lo lleve.
Yeah, it's
Whoa.
You got the keys? Yeah. Por capo, en California, cuando tú no parqueas, entonces esto, mira. Plan. Ya está. Y no venga Michael, viene a joder con el cajo, lo prende.
Pero yo no te lo puedo.
Ah, eso no importa. Esa gracia para afuera. Esa ahí.
Alright, so last night we got the car in. So I kind of want to do a little something to surprise my dad, because the car, it looks cool, but the front still has a shitty suspension. So I brought something with me, which is some BC coils for it. So since he's not here, he's gonna come later pick up the car. I'm just gonna go ahead and swap those to the car before he gets here, so the car can actually ride nice. So I got a little bit of work ahead of me, but I've done this before, so it's super easy to do. Starting to put the coil outside the car now, so you can actually see the side-by-side comparison on it. So this is what the car had before, which it wasn't bad. It was just conies with the, I think these were E-Bosch springs, which is like the most common setup that everyone has. But here's the BC Racing next to it. So you can see way shorter stroke shock, so actually handles being that low. The springs are way heavier, and you have an adjustable collar, which here you didn't really have it. So I already did one, so you can see how it's set up. Way nicer set up. You see when the spring's on, there's no spring slop, and when this is on, the spring just goes everywhere, and you lose that much travel on it too. But overall, you can look at them, way nicer setup in this car. So go ahead and finish the other side and then put it back in the car and go out for a test drive. Alright, so step one is you want to cut the factory shock. So if you look in here, you can see it has like a basically a different edge, because it lets you thread the coil over all the way to about this edge. So it doesn't matter if you cut it. If you cut it way longer than this, what you're gonna have is you're not gonna be able to put the shock all the way in. So what you do now that you cleaned it up, because you're gonna weld all around this, is that you basically just tap this in with a mallet in, and once it's flat, then you can start welding it. So now I just gotta weld it. Make sure it's centered and welded. Alright, so covers are done. Mike's finally here. So this is so easy. I got it done way before Mike was even here. Impressive, huh? The camber's adjusted a little bit. And it should clear. If not, I can just add more. We're now just gonna go for a test drive, make sure everything's good before my dad gets here. have nice shit. Car works good though. All right, so back here, you see that little lip? You see how you know the tires? And the front, same thing. You see this? So I'm gonna carefully drive it home now, and then once I'm home, I'll take the wheels off and then roll the fenders, so that won't happen anymore. I didn't want to roll the fenders, but the fitment is a little too tight for it, so I'm gonna have to. But I brought the fender roller with me, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, super smoky. It's definitely gonna have an engine coming for it. Not sure what kind of engine I'm gonna put in it yet, but we'll see. Trying to go home, show Dad the new car. Like a new car, pretty much.